Let's get started. Create a new comp, and the name is Title Animation. All the settings remain same. First, create a circle by pressing and hold the Shift key. Fill color will be off. And let's put the stroke value around 430 pixel. Now pick Pan Behind tool and set the anchor point to the bottom of the stroke, like this. Now select the layer and add trim paths. And animate the end value, like this. Now select this layer and press S on keyboard for scale properties. And add keyframes like this. Select this layer and press U on keyboard for visible all keyframes. And set these keyframes like this. Perfect. Again, select this layer and press Ctrl+D for duplicate the layers. Now I am going to rename these layers. Select Circle to Layer and press U and delete all the keyframes. Select Circle to Layer and press P for position. And then animate this position like this. Now go to starting frame and press Ctrl+Shift+D to cut the unwanted part of the layer. Now move this layer to the right, like this. Now right-click here, go to New and choose Text. Whatever you want to type, in my case I'm going to type "Make your creative title animation." Do the basic thing with this text, like color change and text sizes, etc. Now pick rectangle tool and drag like this. Choose the fill color whatever you want. Now I'm going to animate the position of this text layer. For exact visibility, I'm going to fill off this rectangle and use only a stroke. Perfect. Now go to 15 frames ahead and copy this keyframe and paste it here. Again, go to 10 frame ahead and set the position like this. Make sure your every sentences should be in between these two small circles. Again, select this keyframe, copy and paste it here. Doing the same thing. Perfect. Now I'm going to fill on of the rectangle. And set the track mate of the text layer to the alpha mate. Something wrong to the timing, we can fix it. Select all keyframes and move a bit to the left. Now we can do the same thing with the circle 2 layer. Copy this keyframe and paste it here. And you can animate the position of the circle 2 layer according to your text position. Now again, copy this keyframe and paste it here. Now select the all layers and press U on keyboard. Select all these keyframes. Right-click here, go to Keyframe Assistant and choose Ease. And set the graph like this.